Hi guys, and thanks for watching how to put a scabbard into a mini-me. Thank you, Sean Copeland, for the question. So you're going to receive your two items like this. This is our A2LS scabbard. This is going to be our mini-me. You're going to receive it just like this, and you're going to notice that there is a back zipper right here. You're going to flip the pack over, unbuckle this, and you're going to take this side zipper all the way around your mini-me. Underneath the bladder hose, down the side, around the bottom, and this is what's going to give you your rear scabbard tunnel. You'll notice on the inside of the mini-me, you're going to have two interior rows of molle at the top, and then you're going to have one strip of molle at the bottom here. You're going to take your bottom tabs off the molle strap of your side scabbard. You are going to insert it from the top down in. Reach underneath and pull through. Now the great part about this mini-me is a lot of this can be just held from the natural compression from fitting inside the sleeve. But then of course you do have your molle that you're going to want to web in like any of our other molle items. But essentially you're going to take your tab of molle, make sure it's straight. You're going to run it through about one in from each side. Once through there, and then you're going to come back up, and then you're going to put it through the webbing on the side scabbard itself. The next part you're going to just have to feel, because you're not really necessarily going to be able to see it. You're going to feel for that next molle loop and repeat the process. Once you have both sides done like this, you're going to reach in for one of the two tabs, pulling it down, and you're going to get that last piece of molle down here. And then revert it back up through one of the molle on the side scabbard. This is going to hold it in place, and now you have a very convenient gun carry option for a really small pack. Great for day hikes, great for small game hunts such as chukar, pheasant, rabbit hunting, etc. Thanks again, Sean Copeland, and that's how you put the scabbard in the mini-me.